Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. On the HBAR chart, we continue to see that follow through to the downside that I already talked about in yesterday's video. I think I wanted to use this video to really just refresh the target levels for this move to the downside. Bigger picture, primary scenario is that HBAR is still in this triangle within the yellow wave count. A very choppy price structure. Corrective moves up, corrective moves down, corrective moves up, and another corrective move down. If it now produces a lower high, we have a complete Elliott Wave triangle. In this structure, price reacted to our resistance level, spot on, and now broke to the downside of the ascending wedge pattern. Something we've been talking about in the recent weeks in our primary scenario. So if this is now a triangle, then the idea is that we're now coming down in this D wave of the triangle. The wave that happens obviously before the last wave. The last wave will be an E wave. We're not there yet. First of all, we need to complete the D wave. A D wave is a corrective structure. For example, here an ABC structure would be preferred. How can we determine targets? First way to determine targets is to take the length of the B wave. Then we go to the high of the C wave, and there are typically two targets. The 38.2 extension, that's broken, that's not so common. And the more common one is here, the 4.3 cent level in this case, the 61.8 retracement, extension level. So that's still favored, we're getting closer and closer. And we're still far away from that. At the moment, price is 5.2 cents. So that's one level to watch. Do we need to get there? No, it's more like the region, between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension. But it's a level to watch. It's sort of something where you normally expect price to be drawn to. Now, another way to measure targets is to take the subwaves, the wave A and the wave C, and we compare the length. Because a typical target would be the 100% extension level. That's here at 4.7 cents. So I put that onto the chart as a dashed line. These are the two levels. At the moment, assumption is it will continue to go down in line with this. Again, it's another level to watch. It's not a must. I mean, I can really not very clearly determine the subwave structures here of the C wave, but still it's sort of following the expected direction. Key is now for it to follow through to get to at least 4.7 cents. That would be ideal. We can also add the VRVP volume profile just to see, where did we have historically a lot of volume. Now you can see there's a bit of a spike here around that 4.7 cent level, but there's actually a strong a strong spike where price is now, but price seems to be going through it, right? So that's good to see, because then just follow through, because this is normally an area where you would expect price to slow down. The point of control is at 5.2 cents, basically where price is now. But overall, it doesn't make any impression that it wants to stop the local downtrend, and the expectations are for price to head down lower. First piece of evidence or first indication that this sort of local downtrend is over would be a break above the descending trend line. So pay attention to that. And at the moment, it seems like it's going to get to our target. But if we now see a reaction here to the upside, we could already be in the E wave, which I accidentally just deleted. I'll put that back on. But the thing is, if it turns around now, it would be a bit too weak for a D wave of a triangle. If you look at the proportions of the triangle, it sort of looks like tiny wave at the moment. I would prefer if it gets a little bit more extended. That's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.